Well, hello and welcome back to Fashion First. Tote bags are reusable bags that can be a convenient way to carry your stuff. For today's episode, we were going to tote bags that are durable and stylish. So we picked up Stardust Women's Tote Bag. Now let's learn more about the bag. The bag comes in black and a stylish look. It has a shoulder strap so that you can just hang it around in your shoulder. It has a nice zipper for opening. And also it is very lightweight and weighs just 280 grams. This intricately designed handbag is fashionable, elegant and affordable. Made for every season for women of all ages, the stylish design makes it easy to mix and match with any kind of outfit, whether it be casual or daily wear. For better organizing, the bag is divided into two compartments along with two zipper pockets in the middle and plenty of storage space. The elegant and high-end design of the bag makes it go well with work, travel, college and other daily activities. The bag is made up of good material and comes in a stylish black design. The zippers are durable both on the top and the ones inside. The shoulder strap is well stitched and it can carry weights without getting damaged. So if you're looking to buy a new tote bag, you should definitely check out Stardust Women's Tote Bags. That's it for today, guys. See you again with some more product recommendations. Till then, goodbye and take care.